Good morning, children. Today we will study about classification of material. The things which we all use in our daily life are made up of different types of materials. All these materials have mass, shape, and are classified based on many criteria, including their physical states, properties of materials, etc. Now, what are the properties of materials? Based on different properties, materials can be differentiated into respective groups. Listed below are the properties of materials. First, the materials can be sorted into their groups based on the three states of matter, which are solids, liquids, and gases, which you have already covered in your previous chapter. The second criteria used to sort the materials are based on their appearance. The appearance of materials varies in color, texture, their hardness, softness, and luster. The third criteria used to sort the materials are based on their solubility. The solubility depends on soluble and insoluble of materials in water. For example, salt and sugar are soluble in water. Chalk and sand are insoluble in water. The fourth criteria is used to sort the material based on the metals and non-metals. Iron, copper, gold are examples of metals, and coal, chalk, rubber are examples of non-metals. Coming to the fifth criteria used to sort the materials is based on the light transmission through objects, which includes opaque, translucent, and transparent. Now, let's talk about the second criteria, which is appearance. Materials usually look different from each other. Wood looks very different from iron. Iron appears different from copper and aluminium. At the same time, there may be some similarities between iron, copper, and aluminium that are not there in wood. So, materials can be differentiated from each other based on their appearance, lustrous and non-lustrous. Some, like diamond and gold, are shiny and is termed as lustrous material. Some other materials, like graphite and wood, do not appear shiny and are generally known as non-lustrous materials. Then comes the hardness. When you press different materials with your hands, some of them may be hard to compress, while others can be easily compressed. You can easily scratch some materials, while some cannot be scratched so easily. Materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are called soft, while some other materials which are difficult to compress are called hard. For example, cotton or sponge is soft while iron is hard. So children, today we have discussed about properties of material and also found that there are 5 criteria to list the properties of material. Then we studied about the second criteria, that is appearance. In the next class, we will learn about the rest 3 criteria of it. Thank you and stay safe.